Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Clickup, Team and Task Management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Clickup is a team and task management app designed to help individuals, teams, and businesses organize work in one place. It offers tools for task creation, time tracking, project management, goal setting, and collaboration. You can customize views like list, board, calendar, and Gantt charts, making it flexible for different workflows. It's available on iOS, Android, and desktop, and integrates with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom. The app's main feature is its highly customizable workspace. Users can assign tasks, add due dates, track progress, comment with teammates, and automate repetitive workflows. It also supports docs, whiteboards, reminders, and dashboards, helping teams manage both simple tasks and large projects more efficiently. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its all-in-one functionality, customizable views, and ability to replace multiple productivity apps. Its collaboration tools and automation features help teams stay aligned and reduce manual work. The interface is modern, and the flexibility makes it suitable for students, freelancers, and large companies. However, there are some drawbacks. Because Clickup offers so many features, new users may feel overwhelmed at first. The mobile app can sometimes feel less smooth than the desktop version, and some advanced features require a paid plan. Occasional syncing delays have also been reported by users. In summary, the Clickup app may be worth using if you want an all-in-one workspace to manage tasks, projects, and team collaboration with high customization. However, if you prefer a simpler productivity tool with minimal learning curve, this app might feel a bit complex. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.